right there. Yes! That's a turkey. Look at the turkey, Daddy. He's a bit funny. That's a chicken. Yeah. Yes, where does this go? Just go like that. No. That. No. That. No. That. No. That. No. Yes. Yes. Hands up, Dad. I'm going to wear this.
Thumbs up, Hannah.
I'm going to wear this to trick or treating, Daddy.
Are you?
We got to trick or treating. Yay! And we get goodies. And you get goodies. Where's the cow go? What about this?
Trick or treat, smell my feet.
No, that's not it. No. Yes, I think so. Will I help him?